Good evening everyone. Myself Birhan Khan from 2nd CSC. Today I am here to discuss about the finding coefficient of given equation by using binomial theorem in DMGT. Here the given equation is a plus 2b minus 3 minus plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16. Here by using multinomial theorem, the formula is x1 plus x2 plus and so on xk whole power n is equals to n factorial by n1 factorial, n2 factorial and so on nk factorial into x1 power n1, x2 power n2 and so on xk power nk. Here where n1 plus n2 plus and so on nk is equals to n. The given expression for the question is a plus 2b plus minus 3c plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16. Now we will simplify it. Here we can see that this under step is converted as our formula of binomial theorem. A plus 2b minus 3c plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16 is equals to, here we can see as per the formula, 16 factorial by n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial into n5 factorial into n4 factorial into n5 onto a power n1 into 2b power n2 minus 3c power n3 into 2d power n4 into 5 power n5. Sorry. Again we confirm that this under step we simplify this above step. 16 factorial by n1 factorial into n2 factorial into n3 factorial into n4 factorial into n5, that is a power n1 into, here our formula we will separate each other and will power it, 2 power n2 and b power n2 into minus 3 power n3 into c power n3 into d power n2 2 power n4 into d power n4 into 5 power n5. This is we will consider as equation 1. Now we have to find the coefficient of a square b cube c a square into b cube into c square into d power 5. Here we go. A square into b cube into c square into d power 5 is equals to a power n1 into b power n2 into c power n3 into d power n4. Now we will consider that n1 is equals to 2 and n3 equals to 3 and n4 equals to 2 and n4 equals to 5. This will come from above steps. We can see here. There again n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 plus n5 equals to 16. But we don't know n5. Here we know only until n4. So we have to do n5 is equals to 16 minus of n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4. Then again it, and in this n1 and n2, n3 and n4 places we substitute, we getted value. Which value we have getted, we can see here, that equals to 16 minus n1 value is 2 and n2 value is 3 and n3 value is 2 and n4 value is 5 is equals to 4. Now we can see that we from the equation 1 we can see above 16 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial into 4, that is equals to a square into b cube into c square into d power 5 and 5 power 4 into 2 cube into minus 3 power square into 2 power 5. And finally we will get answer, that is by simplifying above step we will get answer 3027022400 into a square b cube c square d5. This is the coefficient of above equation. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Have a nice day.